Hi, Brad from bradsautoglass.com and Backglass Slider on eBay. You're on my YouTube channel, and today we're doing the installation and repair of an F-250 99 through 07. This series of videos will be in a playlist on my YouTube channel, so you can watch all of the videos on this particular vehicle with and without power for all the different methods of installation. Please subscribe and be sure to give me a thumbs up on the videos. We really appreciate that. So let's get started. So this is our center manual with a latch, comes with a latch on it. Fits a 99 to 2007 Superduty F-250 through F-750. This piece has been modified in such a way that you can install it without having to remove this back window. If you find yourself in a position where you have to remove the back window to get it in, or you're just not getting it, you should call technical support before you go any further. And then after that, you should remove the window and take the window apart. And if you look at my video series on the F-250s, you'll find I've got other videos that show you how to do this. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you got the entire inside all cleaned out. On the outside, remove these rubber gaskets. They just seal the window. Take these two gaskets out. That's going to give us room for some of our parts. And then you take a hook tool, go on the inside there for me. And from the inside, there's a plastic track that runs along the bottom here. And you can take a hook tool and you can lift this out. You can also use a pair of needle nose pliers to do this. That comes loose. Now you'll be able to tell the bottom from the top because the bottom has those little holes. And the high side, this is higher on one side and then the other, and the high side faces the outside of the truck. So then after you get that bottom one out, that one loose and pull it out. And again, the high side of the lip goes to the outside of the cab. Now, once you've got these all out, so I didn't fully discuss the tools that you'll need to do this. Setting stick, which comes with the window, and a spatula, a mud spatula. This one is stainless steel. They also make one that's blue. It looks brushed, like brushed aluminum, only it's blue steel. Do not use one of these. It's made out of steel and chrome plated. Chrome and glass do not mix. You'll break the window. This one is stainless. You can see it's flimsy. The chrome ones are harder. You need the nice thin stainless steel. I don't know what brand that is. But you can also get the blue ones. And this is an 8-inch mud. So now we want to introduce the spreading stick. And this is going to help open the opening just enough so that you can slip this window in. And make sure you don't just stick it in and bend it and try and put it in. If you do, you'll break the stick. So you want to go into this outside, which is the same that this glass, the outside glass is in. And you want to go in the top up here, right in the middle. And you can hear it kind of making noise right there. And that right there, along with... Now the other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, at this point right here, we want that nice and lubed up, and then you can actually see it when I push on it. You can see it move. Watch right between my hands. And that's what the setting stick is helping us do. And then work this rubber on the inside and make sure you've got it as low as it'll go, because you're going to need that room. All right, I'm going to let my trusted assistant take over and he'll show you how to do this. Now pay attention, because you're going to hear it before you see it. It goes in, it goes pop. What did he do? Well, you got to watch. You might have to play this in slow motion. So right here is where it is the difficult part. And I'm going to soak this gasket up so it's got a little movement. knock that down with your hand. All right. The highest spot in the glass is right about the center, which is where we have the setting stick. Put this spatula in here. Adam's going to pull on the outside with his hand. Hold it. Let it go. Got to get the spatula just at the right spot. Okay. There it goes. So as you can see, there's a little bit of effort to it. The trick is to get the spatula lined up right at the edge of the rubber so when the glass comes off, it comes off and falls into the channel. Now, there are alternative methods for doing this, and that would be to take the slider out and disassemble the screws, which I show on the YouTube channel in the video playlist for the F250/750. But we've got that in. Adam, hand me the... So remember I said that the high side goes to the outside, and that's the way I got it lined up. Let me get the stick, get it underneath there. A little soap. Everything in this job loves a little soap. And then you roll this back, pinch it, and slide it. Roll it back. There, the bottom's in. Now the top, the long side goes out. See how I'm feeding that? You want to move it back and forth a few times. It does fit fairly snug, but this is also a brand new window. There, in the latch. Alright, so that completes the center install. I want to thank you for watching the video. I've created a series of videos for the F250 99 through 2007 to help you understand how you can install these parts yourself. We have all the replacement parts for the power and the manual slider available in our web store at bradsautoglass.com. If you have any questions, you can contact me at technical support. The phone number can be found in the previous video and can also be found on my website. And as you can see, with just a few simple hand tools and the assistance of someone in your family to work with you on the vehicle, this is a project you can take on and do yourself. So I encourage you to watch the rest of the videos that apply to your truck. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at technical support. Thanks. I'm Brad, Brad's Autoglass.